Hey, why you should consider using trailing dots instead of leading dots in Ruby? I'm going to show you what I found out. Let's take a look at example with some code. Here is example of some Ruby code that we have a few lines of code, and to make it more readable we use just each command is in new line. So we have something like that, and we have leading dots, so each new command that combines is with dot at the beginning. And you probably might be most familiar with this type of code, and I guess most people write code like that, and it's totally fine. But there are a few problems with this code. Let's maybe first check if it works. Okay, boom, it works. So exactly, we just printed some string. And what would happen if I would like to test this part of the code, maybe in IRB console? Let's copy paste this line, and we're gonna paste it here. Oh shit, something is broken. Yeah, so you cannot just copy paste this to the console, and it is really not convenient. So we need to do quick changes in the code, make it looks like one-liner, then we can copy that and paste, and it works. So that's great. So here's the one problem we may have with this style of writing code by having the leading dot at the beginning of the line. But there is another problem that sometimes is annoying for me. Let's say I have something like more complex code here, and I would like to clarify that. I could just write some comment here to make it clear why I'm using this operation. And sometimes when I want to put even longer comment, I would like to have a few lines of comments, right? Anyway, let's have just one-liner comment, and let's try to run the script again, and what you will see is the problem with with running the script. It doesn't work, man. So that's the problem. What we can do, we can make it like that. Just keep the comment in exactly the same line, and now it should work. Great. So we have two problems with this style of coding. We cannot make comments between multiple lines of code, and we cannot copy paste quickly the code to the console. Let's check the style called trailing dots. And trailing dots looks like that. You basically put the dot at the end of the line, and that's it, right? And let's try to paste that into the console here. Okay, it works. So it's way easier to just copy a few lines of code, paste it, and test something, play with it, and that's great. Another case, let's write some comment here, and let's try to run this trailing dot script. Boom. Okay, and it works. So as you can see, using this trailing dot style of coding solves those two problems. You can easily copy the code to the console, and you can put some comments in between lines. So that's something that will help at least me. And when you look at Ruby style guide, you may find that both styles are totally fine and perfectly okay to use. So yeah, maybe learning about this might be useful for you. Let me know in the comment what do you think, which style do you prefer, and what do you think about trailing styles, style of coding. Yeah, if you like this video, thumb up, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.